Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, which means we are outside of Walgreens, and Walgreens has some really good boosters this week. They have, for right now, they have my account has a spend 25, get $7 in Walgreens cash. And then for like Black Friday, they have spend 35, get $7 in Walgreens cash. Now online, a lot of the times those boosters will stack together and work together, but I don't plan on doing any online shopping through Walgreens, so I don't know. I'm just not going to include that one. If you are doing any kind of Black Friday shopping online, remember to use rebate apps like Rakuten. I do have Rakuten linked down below if you're a new user. I think it's like spend 50, get 50 back right now, which is super amazing savings. I personally use Rakuten. I like Rakuten. I just don't do that much online shopping, but it's super easy and user-friendly to use. Also, there is a printable breakdown down there just in case you want to print it off, edit it, take it to the store to fit whatever you're trying to get. There is that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. And yes, I have piercings in finally, guys. I've neglected putting them in for a long time and didn't get mine. I didn't do the press-ons yet. I was gonna dye my hair because it's like that time, but I realized I was out of the purple I normally use, and Amazon doesn't sell it anymore because I'm not a licensed beautician, so I can't order it, so I had to find another brand. So that's coming today, so hopefully I can do my nails after. I was nervous about trying to break them off or something while doing my hair, even though I wear gloves. I don't know, I was just a little nervous, so I decided to wait. But yeah, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We still have the offer of buy one get one 50% off for deodorant for Old Spice, Secret, and Gillette. And they are buy four get $4 in register rewards. I'm not going to put a deal together because there are so many different digital coupons that just so many of them that you can grab really good savings. And there are some Old Spice ones that qualify that are on clearance. We have a pretty good deal on Degree deodorant if it's a brand you like. They are buy one get one 50% off. There's no register rewards or Walgreens cash coming back for this deal, but we have a high value coupon, so grabbing one at full price and one at 50% off will be $8.68. We have a $5 digital coupon, making them $3.68 for both. This deal is a repeat from last week, but we did get new coupons this week. So if you did it last week, you can still do it again this week, but it's on select Schick products. The non-disposable razors and refills, they are spend 20, get $10 in register rewards. So you're going to grab a woman's razor or refill for $9.99 or $14.99. Then you're going to come grab the opposite price of whatever you grab for the men's. So if you grabbed a $9.99 razor for the women's, then for the men's you're going to come grab a $14.99 product. So for example, these two products will be $24.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. So that means we'll be left to pay $18.98 at the register, but we'll get the $10 register reward for spending $20, making them $8.98 for both. So there's another super hot razor deal. It's on the Gillette Venus products. They are buy one get one 50% off, and then buy two get $6 in register rewards. So we're going to grab one woman's and one men's product. So the cheapest women's product are these ones for $11.49, or this purple box as well. You can grab a clearance product, but make sure it scans for that promotion. Then the cheapest men's product is this one for $10.99. My store is already sold out, but a good second comer up is this Gillette Skin Guard for $11.99. But using this $11.49 price and the $10.99 price, grabbing those two, the men's would be the 50% off since it is the cheaper one, and your total for grabbing both of them will be $16.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. You'll be left to pay $10.98 $10.98 at the register. We'll get the $6 register reward for buying two, making them $4.98 for both. Hand wash is on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in register rewards. You'll grab two, one at full price, one at 50% off, and your total will be $8.23. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7.23 at the register. We'll get $1 back from Ibotta for buying two, and then we'll get the $2 register reward for buying two as well, make them $4.23 for both. Did y'all see this price change? Like, are y'all irritated like I am? This was just on sale for $7 like 2 weeks ago or last week, I don't remember. But the bottle didn't change, it didn't get bigger. Why is it $8 now? That's ridiculous. Anyway, Olay and Old Spice are on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and now they're $8. We have grabbing three will be $24. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $19 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying three, making them $14 for all three. Or if you prefer, you can grab the Old Spice, grab three of them because they're on that same promotion. So if you're grabbing both deals, make sure you do them in separate transactions. But you'll grab three of the Old Spice for $24. Old Spice has a $6 digital coupon, so you'll pay $18 at the register. Get the $3 or $5 register reward for buying three, making them $13 for all three. But you'll submit to Ibotta. We have a $2 rebate for buying two, making them $11 for all three. So that's like our normal price. Super hot deal on the Batiste hair or dry shampoo. Well, I keep wanting to call it hairspray. I know a lot of y'all love this product. I don't mind it. I don't use dry shampoo that often, but they are buy one get one free, so you can grab really good savings on these. To do this deal or to not to do this deal, I know the digital coupon doesn't work a lot of the times for Dove, but here's the deal. So they are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and the regular style is on sale for $5, or the pump style is on sale for $6. I feel like, I can't remember, it's been a while, but I feel like the pump style is the one that usually works. Even though the coupon attaches to the $5 ones, I feel like it works more for the pump style. I could be wrong. But anyway, if they do work for the $5 ones, grabbing two will be $10. Use a $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $6, get the $4 register reward, making them $1 per bottle, or grabbing the $6 ones will be $12. Use that $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $8, get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $2 per bottle. Either way, it's really good savings. So our normal deal for products that are $3.50, don't get the register reward this week. Don't do that deal. Right now, the best deal is on products that are $5, and they're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards. So grab two for a total of $10. We have a $4 off of two digital coupons, so that means you'll be left to pay $6. Get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $1 each. We also have this other crest deal. Now, it's not the best deal, but it is great savings on the more expensive crest, and especially if you like these products, this is great savings, and you can put it with a spend booster or use Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket. But they are on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards. So the first product you're going to grab is one of the 3D products. Next, you're going to come grab one of the gum products. So, for example, these would be two products you would grab. Your total for both will be $18. We have a $5 digital coupon for the 3D product and a $5 digital coupon for the gum product. So you'll be left to pay $8 at the register. We get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $5 for both. So we still have this deal for the Colgate or the Hello products, depending on what you like, but they are on promotion for buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. So grabbing two will be $10. We have a $3 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $7 at the register, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $1 each. So right now we did get brand new PG coupons this week, so make sure you go in your account and clip all the ones that you want to use, because remember, Walgreens only has a certain amount of clips per coupon. So yeah, make sure you clip them. But we have a Gain deal, so it's on the medium size Gain products, so you can grab something like these Gain flings, but they are buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So you grab like the Gain flings or the Gain liquid. You can grab the Gain softener, or you can grab the big box of dryer sheets if your store sells it. Grabbing these two products will be $19.98. Unfortunately, this month we only have $2 digital coupons. So we have a $2 digital coupons for the liquid and a $2 digital coupon for the flings. We'll be left to pay $15.98 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, make them $10.98 for both. Now I do have some good Black Friday deals going on that's pictured in the ad, so I'll pop up a couple of those pictures. Are you guys going to be shopping anything in particular from Walgreens for Black Friday? Let me know. The best one, in my opinion, just because I personally use it, is the Sunbelt heating pad for 50% off. I don't know if my store actually sells that, but I think that's a good deal, but I personally use it. Walgreens brand storage baggies are buy one at $2.79 and you'll get two free. So all three of them will be $2.79. As y'all know, I use this brand at home. I personally like them. They're good quality, and for the price, you just can't beat it. Right now, select Coke 12-pack products are buy two, get two free. You can mix and match and grab a total of four for $21.98. Right now, select products including Bounty, Charmin, and Puffs are on promotion for buy four, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. You can grab the 2 equals 5 Bounty. You can also grab the 4 equals 8 Bounty Essentials. You can grab either of the Charmin Essentials. You can grab one of the regular Charmins, the 4 equals 16, or you can grab the 4 count of the Puffs. These would be the 4 products you grab. Don't grab the regular Bounty because it doesn't have a digital coupon for it. But if you really want to grab it, you can. But these 4 products will be $21.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Puffs, a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin Essentials, and a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty Essentials. You'll be left to pay $17.96 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $12.96 for all 4 products. So we're back in from checkout, and checkout did not go okay. The Dove digital coupon did not come off, so I'll have to contact customer service for that. So just an FYI, be careful. I recommend grabbing, I think, the $6 ones if you want the coupon to come off at the register. But I grabbed this set, so don't grab this set, because that's what I grabbed. Anyway, so as you can see, the Dove and then the 4 paper products. So for coupons and everything, I had a point booster that remember I found last week for, I think it was spend $15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. And then I had a $4 register reward and a $5 register reward, and then all the 4 $1 coupons came off, but not the one for the Dove. So that means I paid $18.96 out of pocket. It's not what I expected to pay, but at this store, like, they won't do anything about it. There's one cashier that will, I believe, but I don't ever see her. I think she works later in the day. But it is what it is. I'll get $5 from customer service, $4, whatever it was for the Dove coupon. It just takes like 5 minutes of your time to reach out to them. And if they say it's because you use too many register rewards don't attach to products or items. So don't let them fool you with that. But, for Walgreens cash earned, I did get the $5 for the paper booster and then the $7 for the digital booster. Then for buying the paper products, I did get the $5 registry reward, and it does expire on the 30th, so that's a full week. I believe, yeah, that's a full week. And then the $4 for the Dove. So everything else went okay, so not the end of the world. I just would have rather liked a lower out of pocket, but it's either I cancel the transaction, put it back, and refer the new transaction, which too much work. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. and I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving if you don't tune back into my channel before then. Hopefully you guys can grab some amazing Black Friday sale deals, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there looking at all the extra stuff I might have down there. But thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.